Hello, welcome to 6820 West McKnight Loop. This is Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. I'm excited to take you on a tour of this beautiful custom home, completely remodeled inside and out. Starting off, it has about 2,500 square feet, a little bit over. It's a full 3-bedroom, 3-bath main house. It also has a casita. Now, the landscaping, completely redone, beautiful. I love how they put in this path. This path leads around the house to the casita. So if you ever want to rent it out or anything like that, perfect for a separate entry. As you walk up, you have this great pergola patio. So this would be perfect for mornings on your porch, taking advantage of this beautiful, quiet community. As we walk in, you're going to be first struck by the fireplace as the centerpiece as you walk in. Red brick. Look at how open this floor plan is. You got updated, kind of really neat grayish paint that kind of changes from like a taupey color to a grayish color, so it matches almost everything. It's really neat how it works. Now this kitchen has been completely remodeled, granite countertops, 42-inch, I think that's cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Really neat backsplash. Now when they did this kitchen, it's kind of neat how they had the sink facing out. So here is kind of like a little family room area, and then over there is the great room, and then there is the dining area right there. So I'm going to take you down the hall. I love the smell of fresh paint and carpet. Here's the first bedroom. Large bedrooms compared to your average guest beds. I'm guessing they're about 12 by 14 or so, 12 by 12. The second one, plantation shutters up front. Let's take you to the master bedroom first. Nice size master bedroom with full walk-in closet. Love the fixtures between the granite leaders. Master has a nice large shower. Now this is really neat. The original owner of this home was a mason, and he actually built an addition years ago, and so this would have been the original bathroom right here. And this now has custom sinks, granite counters, big garden tub, water closet, and there are lots of cabinetry throughout as well. In Arizona, cabinets and storage. Tough. So this is kind of unique. As we come through the bathroom, here is the laundry room. Big laundry room, lots of cabinets. And then this is really neat. Okay, and you'll understand why here in a second. But here is the third bath. Shower, everything. But it may seem kind of odd to have it here, come in through the laundry and from that other bathroom. But here's why. This home has one of the greatest yards you're gonna find. Okay, here's the casita. Here on the left, it's 282 square feet. We'll go in there in a second. But you have a full putting green with chipping. As we come through the path, here's the outdoor kitchen. Full sink, barbecue, fridge, cooktop. And then on the other side there, perfect, large diving pool. I love that diving board with the elevated platform. Talk about having some fun. As we continue around, here's the sport court. On the other side of the sport court is the RV parking. Plenty of space for your RV. All the toys. As we come around and look back, you can take advantage of all 18,000 square feet of this lot. Beautiful home. No HOA in Arrowhead Estates. As we come back through, you'll see the other side. There's the kitchen. And back into the family room and the great room. And one last stop before we go to the casita. Here's the garage. Oversized garage. Here is a second fridge, but you got cabinetry. More cabinetry. And even more cabinetry. And then there's a storage closet right there as well. And then that door leads out to the front porch. So we'll go ahead and take you through now. Back out to the casita. Love this patio. New landscaping still getting put in, so a few more plants will be put in place by the time you probably take a look at the home. Okay, here we go. Now we are entering the casita. 282 square feet. Plumbing, fridge, sink, AC, microwave, shower. Perfect for family, or if you want to rent it out, just make a little income. This is perfect. As you look out, you can see what a beautiful property. And the pathway leads out. Okay, this beautiful home with all of its features from 2,512 square feet, main home, 282 square foot, casita, fireplace, gourmet kitchen, diving pool, outdoor kitchen, sport court, RV parking, putting green, can all be yours for only $499,000. Right now, the comps, there's a similar home on the market for $525,000, and there is a big, somewhat remodeled home for $625,000. This is the best bargain on one of the most amazing homes you're gonna find right now. Give me a call today, 602-821-7460. Or email me at josh@brepm. That's Josh at B as in breakthrough, R as in real, E as in estate, P as in property, M as in management.com, brepm.com. Thanks, talk to you soon.